Hi, this is Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a video that was saved on your computer as a file into a PowerPoint 2013 slide. When you have a blank slide showing on your screen, as I do here, there are usually these icons in the center that are shortcuts to help you bring things into your slide, such as a table, a chart, and so on. This bottom right corner little icon is what you can use to insert a video. So if I click on that little icon, it offers me several different ways in which to bring in a video. YouTube or embedded code, which I'm showing you in a different video in our class, but in this video I'm just going to show you from a file, meaning from a video that has been saved on my computer. So if I click Browse, it offers up my insert video window, and I can browse around my computer to find the one that I want. If this is the one that I want, I can single click on it, and over here on the right hand side it will give me a preview screen, and I can make that preview screen bigger or smaller by clicking and dragging this little bar, and if I want I can try to play it. If I click play, it'll show me stop that, it'll show me a preview of that particular video. Now if I want to insert it, if this is the one that I want to use, I go down here in the lower right to click insert, but if you click the little down arrow on the right you have some different options. If you click insert, it will insert the actual video file itself into your slide. The good thing about that is you don't have to worry about any breaking links or any internet connections you need to have in order to run the video. It's in your slideshow. The bad thing about that is it makes your slideshow very heavy with a lot of megabytes, which might slow it down. If I choose this here, link to file, then what I'm doing is creating a link in my slide to wherever that video is saved, whether it's on my computer or on the internet. I am not, if I choose link to file, I'm not actually inserting or embedding the file itself, the video itself. The good thing about that is it leaves your slideshow very light, and it doesn't lightweight, and doesn't make it heavy with a lot of megabytes. But the bad part about that is it's linked to something outside the slideshow itself. It's either linked to your video file on your computer or linked to a video on the internet. So either way you have to maintain that link in order to run the video in your slideshow. If you break the link, then you're in trouble and you won't, the video won't play. You can break the link easily, unfortunately, by things like moving your slideshow around to another location, in which case the link can be broken, or if you are linked to the internet, then the link can be broken if you don't have an internet connection at the same time that you're actually running the slideshow. Well, in this case I'm going to click Insert, and it will actually embed or insert that video into the slide. It takes a couple of minutes for that to happen, a few moments. Okay, there it is. And by the way, another way to actually do this is, if you don't see those little icons, the shortcuts that you can click on, you can also go to the Insert menu, Insert ribbon here, and over here on the Media group click Video, and again you can choose online video or video on my PC. But I've already inserted it, and of course if you click or highlight the video, your video tools contextual ribbons are here. You can format, click the format ribbon, and it will let you make the video look different. You can give it special effects or make it look a certain way and run it that way. You can also go to the playback ribbon, and this is where you can make choices about how the video is played while you're running the slideshow. For example, you can make it happen automatically or on click. If you leave it here on click, which is the default, then that means that when you run the slideshow, as I'm doing now, the video won't play unless you click the start button here. Manually doing that. So I'm going to kind of lower the volume on that. That's a little bit better. Okay, I'm going to get out of the slideshow and show you something else on playback. Again, if I change on click to automatically, then what that will do is as soon as I start running that slideshow, the video will begin without my having to click on it. There it goes. Okay, so you need to go up here to the video options on the playback ribbon and choose either on click or automatically. Other things you can do here that are kind of cool are fading in and fading out. There's lots of different ways you can make your video look. So if I wanted to fade it in, let's say by, I'm clicking this little button here, let's say by that, it would be like a second. Let's try seeing what that looks like. See how it faded in? See how it faded in? So again, I'm going to play the video and watch. It faded in. It's fading in. So that's good. So that's a nice effect that you can do. Also, on the playback ribbon, you can trim the video. There are different ways you can trim it off by specifying the starting and ending times, which means you can trim the beginning or the end of the video and give it specific place of where you want the video to begin and where you want it to end. So there's different ways that you can do this, and when you play the video, make sure that your volume isn't up too high. So let's run this. Let's see what happens when we run it. Okay. So again, if you want to insert a video from your own computer, you can do that a couple of ways. You can do it from the Insert tab here, click Insert and click Video on my PC, or you can use one of the shortcut icons that are often displayed on a new blank PowerPoint slide by clicking Insert Video here and then choosing from a file and browsing to it from your own computer.